Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the American Express Platinum Cards Pay Over Time feature. This option allows you to carry a balance on certain purchases, offering more flexibility than the card's usual pay-in-full requirement. It essentially transforms your charge card into something more akin to a traditional credit card for specific transactions. Understanding how it works is crucial before you decide to utilize it for your spending needs. When you make an eligible purchase, typically $100 or more, it's automatically added to your pay over time balance up to your assigned limit. If you don't pay this balance in full by the due date, interest will begin to accrue. American Express provides flexibility, allowing you to pay the minimum amount due, the entire balance, or any amount in between. The primary advantage of pay over time is the flexibility it offers for managing larger expenses, allowing you to spread payments out. You also continue to earn valuable membership rewards points on these purchases. However, a major downside is the high variable interest rate, which can range from 19.99% to 28.99%, making carried balances quite expensive. Pay over time can be useful for unexpected, larger expenses that you cannot pay in full right away. However, due to the high interest rates, it's generally best to avoid carrying a balance if possible. Always prioritize paying your statement in full to prevent accumulating costly interest. Carefully review your individual pay over time limit and the associated terms to make informed financial decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.